What's up, YouTube? How are you doing today? I am here at Latham-Whitehurst Park in Bridgeton, North Carolina, which is right near New Bern, and today we're going to check out this trail. So the reason I chose this trail to do a video on is that I really like the trail. And the two reasons I really like the trail are, one, that it's short, and two, that there is an epic view at the end of the trail. And so you don't have to walk the entire day to still get a good reward at the end of your hike. Another positive aspect of the trail is that there are multiple places to take a break. By that I mean there's lots of picnic tables and lots of benches. What's also neat is that they have these little signs with information on them so you can learn about nature. So this one here, let's see, talks about the different habitats and the ecosystems and how they work. Also, what's cool is that this trail is not so heavily covered that it's dark inside, yet it's not so open that it gets too hot. And the width of the trail is, I would also say, the perfect distance. You don't have trouble getting past people or other people trying to pass by you. So I haven't recorded every part of this trail as I walk along, but I believe that's okay because most of the terrain looks the same. There's not actually any unique features that are along the trail. The cool part doesn't really come till you get to the end, which I'm hoping I'm getting near at this point. And check this out. Here we have a bathroom on the trail. Can't beat that for accessibility. And now I'm approaching the grand finale. So that is the Latham-Whitehurst Trail. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next video. And oh yeah, don't forget to click the subscribe button.